cut. Hi, my name is Dr. Aryan. I'm the founder of Plaza Dental Arts here in Prospect Heights, Brooklyn. So I've been working with F1 for around 7 years. I actually first met Billy, who's the founder, through a colleague of mine. They had great things to say about his company F1, and ever since then he's been taking care of all my IT, and they've been great. With a dental practice, the IT is so important because everything revolves around technology, computers, x-rays. So to know you can rely on this company and the people, if it takes 10 hours to fix something, they'll be at it, they get it done, and I really feel confident in them and I trust them. They are super responsive and reliable. I think that's the key word, is they're reliable. When we decided to create the website, for example, for this office, it was very tailored to my vision. It's a very personalized approach. They almost treat you not just as a client, but almost like a friend or family. So they're not just there to have my business. They're really there to help me and help me grow. And I think that's what really sets them apart.